Step 2, right? You found yourself a real estate agent, a really good real estate agent that's focused on the military and that knows what they're doing. Now you gotta go get pre-approved for financing. Here's the cool part. You're a military person. So that means you have access to the greatest single leveraging tool in history, and that is the VA loan. It is a zero down, i.e. 100% financed loan whose rates, at least right now as of this recording, are as low as 2.25%. 2.25%. Just for some historical perspective, in 1989, the interest rate to buy a house was 17%. Okay? It's 2.25% now, which means that it's basically free money. And it also doesn't have a loan cap. So that means you can go up to at least, I think, $1.5 million without putting any money down at all. That's insane. That's insane. That allows normal people like you and me to go out and find a house that you can afford because the interest rates are so low, the monthly mortgage is low, which means you can afford a much bigger, nicer house. You live in it, you let it pay itself down, you grow in appreciation over time, you get the tax benefits of owning a property, and you put yourself in a different wealth trajectory, right? People don't think of military people as wealthy, and it blows my mind as to why more military people are not wealthy. You have access to the VA loan. It's a fantastic start. So, just to make this simple, you've got yourself a real estate agent, go get yourself pre-approved for a VA loan for as much money as you can based off your income, and the next step is gonna be how do you find a house, okay? So that's coming up in the next video. See you guys.